Hey guys, it's Eddie with South Bay Hyundai, and today we're going to take a look at the Eco Vehicle Drive setting on the 25 Tucson Limited Hybrid. Let's look. Now, to get to the Eco settings, you go to Setup, Vehicle, and you have Eco Vehicle. Let's click on that. This is going to be the hub for your best Eco settings. You have coasting guide, so this is basically going to allow you to have a better experience when coasting. If this is on, it's going to help you coast. You could even have sound on too, to kind of help you and assist you to know when you are coasting. You can even adjust the sensitivity. You could go early, late, or normal. Now, smart regeneration. This is a good option for those that don't really know much about regenerative braking, but I want to get a feel for it. When this is on, your regenerative braking is always going to be on auto. That way you don't have to really worry about it too much. The car will do it itself. Now, the last feature is Green Zone EV Drive. This is a really cool mode. If you have it on, it's designed to increase the time spent in electric only driving mode. So in specific areas, it reduces the emissions and maximizes your fuel efficiency. Now, when it's on, the vehicle will prioritize EV mode in eco-friendly zones, such as like a residential neighborhood or a school zone. Having this on is going to benefit you in the long run. It uses GPS data to kind of identify those zones. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comments below.